I'm looking at the butterfly. And now I'm looking in camera. I'm thinking inside 2 days 5 minutes are going too difficult for me. I feel like now this maybe it will go very easy. Maybe it can go. Okay, I should stay that positive. It's not always necessary to think like that way as I'm thinking. No need to overthink, just need to explore. Yes, this is a thing I can talk on it. I mean, this is a tree. It is giving oxygen to the living creatures. Living creatures like me. It was a bee which was standing on my hand. I was not comfortable and then I tried, and what I did you noticed. Well, what do you guys think about? It's time to talk to you actually, guys. I mean, if I in the vlogs which I did when I used to talk to you guys, it will give me it will give me it will give me that. I mean it works. So I should question you. What are your thoughts about what you like to do, what you like to do after evening? It was totally random because I was thinking something else and then I said this. So this question was not I'm going to say, but then I say, if you guys didn't getting it, it's mean I should stay very that. क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ ये? I can act it so well. I can do it so well as I used to do. I can spend these 5 minutes so well. I can talk in this language. So what is happening to me, and why this state of mind is active in my mind? What are reason? Let's figure out what are reason why a human feels that way, like this way, which I am in this. Like I am expecting from myself. I mean, it happens. I got some clarity about that. It's like I feel inside that I'm putting expectations from myself to act like that. That so much that like so much that energy putting in this vlog, and if I'm not putting it, I feel that way. So I think this is the reason, but I shouldn't think that way. What naturally comes from me, what naturally happens, I should go with the flow. It's fine if it not goes viral. It's totally fine. I mean both two things. One thing is it's go viral, and the other thing is it's not go viral. If it's go viral, what will it give me that makes my moments that? Okay, let's talk about it. What? And yes, if it goes viral, million views, 10 million views, it will give some money. What will I do with some money? I will buy I will buy some things that will make me feel for sometimes that. So I can. I'm already buying things. I'm already eating. So what thing is not with me in this day? If I have things that are necessary for me, then I should do it in the way. If it happens good, it's best, it's bonus. If it not goes like that way, then it's totally fine. I think I said it, but I need to understand it. And I shouldn't use that my hands. I should just talk. I mean, I mean, I shouldn't talk in the hand language. I just need to talk with my mouth. 5 minutes, I think. Okay. My heart want to talk in this language, and I did it. Please don't mind.